Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 28th May 2022 and the time is 6:15. As I already told you that I was expecting bottom in the month of May, and there will be a rally till towards July 15th based on time cycle, and the important crucial dates for Nifty and Bank Nifty was uh, 19th was the important date and second date was 26th. So Nifty and Bank Nifty is comfortably trading above 19th low and 26th low also. So we need to know, we need to see how it is going to do well, whether it's going to do well in the coming week or not. And coming week is very, very crucial for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Anyway, I'll try to cover Nifty and Bank Nifty in a separate video. And every week I cover, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and S&P plus other indices. But this video is predominantly only for Dow Jones, S&P, and Nasdaq. And if you go every week, I cover these indices. So this was the video which I made on if you go here on May 7th, I made a video saying that will it survive this month? Will Dow Jones survive this month? And many videos I already made on weekly if you go here all indices at a glance in this video I've covered all the indices at a glance with a simple fortune signals this thing, and in so this we have covered it has already Nasdaq, gone for a toss. Dow Jones see, and S&P. But now this video is a little bit little detailed by a combination of fortune signals, Ishimoku, and Pitchfork. Okay, so let's go to the chart and see how it reacted, and we have another 2 days to go because the month has to end. When I'm talking about in a monthly candle, we have another 2 more days, so we need to watch what is going to happen, but still see how market respected our numbers which we talked in this video. Not only in this video, on the May 7th video also, whatever number we talked about in Dow Jones, S&P, and Nasdaq, it was perfectly respected. Let's go to the chart and see this. Okay, so now this was the simple chart of Dow Jones, and I open fortune signals, and first we will go to monthly. Okay, so this. Okay, so there are a lot of cycle dates will be there, so that you leave it. So now it has not come and touched this monthly level. Monthly level is way below, but in case if it breaks and gives the signal in weekly, if it gives a sell signal in weekly, 100% it will come and touch this level, 100%. Okay, so let's watch these levels: 28,284, 27,169. Okay, so now what happened here? It broke my system. But none of the candle closed below this, first of all, and on daily, it had a major resistance on the signal, and from there it started coming down. So now the critical number to watch is this blue line, which is 34,043. If you take this, so this is the number which we need to watch out for coming week. 34,462 and 34,025. Watch these two numbers in case if the market goes up, in case if Dow Jones goes up. These are the two numbers which will act as a major resistance. Okay, so now 6th June is the very important day, and 31st May is very important day when it comes to Dow Jones. So watch out 31st May and 6th June. Okay, 6th June is very vital even for Bank Nifty. So watch out, it is a cyclic day. So watch out that. And this was the day, the previous date was 6th May, little whipsaw on this, and my prime date was 24th May. And 24th May it started moving up. So unless and until it doesn't goes below 24th May, there is no need to worry about Dow Jones, but it will face resistance in this 2 number. And if you go to lower time frame, which is 1 hour, after long time, it has given a buy and it has become genuine. And if you go here, if I close all this, the sell was initiated here below the Shakti line, which is 34,368. And from there, it came exactly, touched the blue, came down. This was the fake buy where many people got trapped. And from there, it is again came down, again went up, touched the signal, came down, no buy call, and here it gave a buy. So unless and until if it doesn't give a fake genuine sell in 1 hour time frame, we don't need to worry about Dow Jones at all, but mark the dates which I already mentioned and the number which I quoted here. Once it breaks, gives a genuine buy on daily, then think that the bottom is done and we are going upper side till July 15. Okay, so now this week is very, very crucial based on fortune. Okay, so now let's go to the Dow Jones. So now we will use Ichimoku. So if you see Ichimoku, exactly the Ichimoku cloud also matching the fortune signals, So we need to watch in daily how it is going to react to this number or this low. This the number which I already mentioned here, or this the flat line. Normally flat line formation comes, it will respect this for flat line formation and it will get restricted. But if you see the future cloud is getting bearish, so future cloud is bearish, so we need to be a little careful. But let's see how the market is planning out. If it breaks above, and normally it will try to break when it is the width is very, very small, so it will try to break somewhere on 8th to 9th date it will try to break the Ichimoku cloud on the upper side, but we need to watch, and 6th is a very important day, so watch out. So now based on Ichimoku also on a daily trend, it will face resistance at this numbers, or it will face resistance here, which is 33,890. You can keep it that way. Okay, and on weekly, it is exactly went and touched the cloud yesterday, and on weekly the cloud is still bullish, nothing to worry. But later on it is turning bearish, that we will come and see after 29th August. As of now, it is a big cloud, but it will take lots and lots of time to break this cloud, because when the cloud width is very big, it will face a lot of difficulties. Let's see whether it is going to react to this level, 34,464 to 34,025. These are the key level which I am watching out with the dates also. The date is 6th, so watch out. And monthly, nothing to worry as of now. The Ichimoku cloud is still bullish, so nothing to worry about it. So mark these two level. If it gives a red color signal on weekly, genuine sell on weekly, then this number will be done for sure. So as of now, whatever we discussed last week, it has taken a support from the exact level. Okay, and from there it started up, and this was the pitchfork last line. Exactly came and touched and support and went. Let's go. We'll talk about the pitchfork only. Okay, so now more or less, it will face resistance at 33,607. That is what it is showing in the coming week. Once it breaks this median line, possibility that it will go 8-hour fortune signals line. And once it breaks this and gives a genuine buy, always remember, it has to give a genuine buy, otherwise it's a fake buy. People again get trapped, and I've talked about my fake buy and fake sell in Nifty many times, so watch out for that. So once it breaks this median line and it has taken the support on the last pitchfork line, maybe you can take it this also. From there it has started moving up and the levels are here already. The levels are already here. So watch out. So once it breaks the median line is this somewhere around 33,609 level. It will try to go and touch this level. It will face major resistance because twice it rejected from here, twice, 1 year and 1 year. So fortune signals will able to catch the top very easy in any time frame for that matter. So this is what the Dow Jones is all about. Let's go to S&P. Okay, the same. This was the number which I talked about last week, 3840, 37174. Okay, exactly. It came down, touched that number, and went up. And it was a falling wedge. It is crossed the falling wedge also. I'm able to see that it is piercing above. So watch out for S&P looking little good also. And the maximum stop loss you can keep is 3714. And where the resistance will come? The resistance will come here, 4304 and 4367. And what is the important date to watch out? The important date was 29th April. You can go back and check my video. I've given this date very clearly, much before. And this was the very important date for S&P. Once it crosses above and closes above this fortune signal, daily signal number, which is 4367, I think more or less the bottom is done in S&P, but it has to give a genuine buy. That is what I'm watching in S&P. So now, what is these two numbers, 38024 and 3714? Why you took the support? A simple thing: go to monthly, put it, and take all the signals. That is where it took the support. And this is what I mentioned last week. And I'm telling these two numbers for the last 1.5 months because it respects that fortune signal, blue and red color, and that is what it happened here. So as of now, till it holds this low, or you can take this low, which is 37,114, 3714 till 3714, nothing to worry. And once it breaks that daily candle, the important day candle, this was 29th April high, and now it closed above the 29th April low yesterday. Once it crosses this too will face a resistance. Once it breaks, yes, we are in for rally till towards July 15th. Keeping my fingers crossed. Let's see how it works. Even if you take a trend line from here, more or less it's coming exactly there only, right? So good. And based on this trend line, it has crossed this trend line here. So when I connected these two dots, one and here, and it crossed. So more or less, let's see whether even if it cross above this and breaks our signal, fortune signals numbers, then obviously it will be, if I close this, then it will be very clear. So this too will act as a major resistance. Okay, now let's go to Ichimoku. Okay, on weekly, yes, it is nearing the resistance on the Dow, Ichimoku cloud. And if you go to, I don't want to go very deep into Ichimoku. Here it says it will try to touch this flat color line, which is 3375, and more or less our red color fortune signal number is also there, which is 4365. So it will try to take the support here, but again the cloud is getting bearish. So watch out for that. Let's see whether it is going to move and break this number on June 1st. I don't know, it has to go 300 points, but it will be little difficult. Maybe to try it somewhere here on 7th June. So now the date to watch out is 29th April on S&P. And coming to monthly, I've already talked about. Weekly, I've already talked about it is nearing the resistance, on cloud. And I don't want to go very deep into the lagging span and all that because it will face resistance. All that is fine. We'll keep it simple. These two numbers is very crucial of the coming week. So watch out for this number, 4367, 4304, and it is inside the cloud also. Let's see whether how many people it will be broken inside this cloud. Okay, so as of now, good. It has taken a support at 38.40, which is our number, and till it holds 37.14, nothing to worry. And on a minor time frame, after a long time, it gave a 1 second. I'll close this. Okay, so now it gave a sell signal on fortune signals here, 4454, and after that there is no buy. It went exactly touched this blue color line. After that also there is no buy. Came down again. It gave up. It got resisted here again. This is called fake buy. This is called fake buy, where people get trapped, and we know this will be the high. Okay, so this was a fake buy, and after that, none of the candle closed above. So this is a fake buy. So the sell continues from here, which is 4465, and it gave a buy here after touching our monthly number of fortune signals. From there, it exactly reversed. Now it gave a buy. So unless and until it doesn't give a genuine sell, now it has become a genuine buy. Why? Because this candle closed above this candle. Okay, or even you can take this candle also. Okay, so this is genuine buy. So what is the high of this? 434053.52, and this candle, it closed above that candle. So it is a genuine buy, and unless and until it doesn't give any genuine sell on 1 hour, you can stay invested in S&P. Okay, and I've already given all the numbers to you. Let's go to Pitchfork and watch this. Okay, so it says more or less the bottom is exactly done based on Pitchfork, taken the support. Now it will face resistance based on the fortune signals, or it will try to touch the median line, which is 4422, and this was the major line. Which is 4167 level. So watch out, because these are all extensions. See, these three are extensions. 1, 2, 3 are extensions. And this is the crucial. This blue color line is crucial, which is 4167. So watch out tomorrow what's going to happen on Monday. And I've already given the date. The date is 29th April. 29th April, high and low was very, very crucial when it comes to S&P. So now let's go to NASDAQ. Okay, so on daily, there is no buy. On weekly, it was a genuine sell. On monthly, that is where it is stuck now. And this is what I said. The monthly closing should not be below this red color line. It means it is trying to take the support and takes the U-turn. I don't know, but let's watch. But this is what it's saying. So I've given the number last week that this was the number of my fortune signals, 12,825 and 12,318. So it is not close to below 12,318 as on Friday, and we have 2 more dates go, because this is monthly candle. Please remember that if it closes below this 12318 on a monthly closing basis, be rest assured that bulls will not sleep in Nasdaq. I don't know how many people are having positional buy on this. They will not sleep once it breaks 12,318. But as of now, it has taken a support, and it is inside the fortune signal red and blue. So we need now next go to next month and watch this. As of now, it has taken a support, which is good as of now. And let's go to weekly. Okay, so the weekly number is here. First, we will go to the daily, because the daily number is coming very, very near these 2 numbers. I have already marked these 2 numbers in the black color line, which is 38,487 and 33,744, which is the daily fortune signals red and blue. So once it breaks about 12,825, it will try to go and stop somewhere in these 2 levels, where it will face a major resistance. And till now, there is no buy in daily. Please understand that. Okay, so first it has to give, because Nasdaq is very, very weak when compared to others. So it has to give a genuine buy on daily to give the confirmation, daily to give the confirmation. For S&P, I said even 1 hour is more or less okay. But for Nasdaq, you need minimum 1 day confirmation on a genuine buy. Where the genuine buy will come? The genuine buy will come somewhere here, 14,700 level. It will give a genuine buy, and unless and until it will face resistance here only. And if you draw the trend line also, more or less coming here. So watch out for this. And as of now, on a monthly side, it has taken exact support on our fortune signals. So now let's go to Nasdaq on Ishimoku. Oh, this is 1 hour. Okay, so in 1 hour, okay, so Nasdaq gave a sell call here at 14,459 and came down exactly, went and touched the blue again, got resisted here, came down exactly, went and touched the blue 100 here, again went up, broken this, but there is no buy, came down, again went and touched the blue 100, came down. See how beautifully it reacts to our numbers, our system, fortune signals. Now, once it taken a support from the monthly, which is a very longer time frame, it started and gave a genuine buy on 1 hour, genuine buy on 1 hour. So now, till it doesn't give a genuine sell on 1 hour, you can hold on to Nasdaq. So now let's go to Ishimoku. On 1 hour front, it is above the Ishimoku cloud, and 1 second, on 1 day, long way to go, and this is where our signal stays. This 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. This is where the signal stays. So good, it has crossed, closed above the conversion line. Now it has to face resistance here, which I already told you on the daily front on fortune signal. These two lines, okay. And again, I'm saying this is red. This is the future is red. Let's see how the market plans out. If it breaks, it's very, very good. It says the confirmation is coming that it is ready to move on the higher side. Okay, so now let's go to weekly. Yeah, weekly, the resistance is somewhere here, 34,506, and the weekly numbers are here. Maybe if you want, I can put the line also. This is the fortune signal line on weekly. And this is daily. I can minimize it. This is daily. Okay. This is Nasdaq. And in 1 hour, it has given a buy. So now let's go to Nasdaq on Pitchfork. So this is the very important level, as I already mentioned. These are all extensions. This is the very important level, which is 13080. It has to cross above. Then 1 day our fortune signals line is there, and the last one is the Pitchfork median line, which is very, very crucial, which is around 14,200 level. So this is, once it breaks, it will give a genuine buy somewhere here. Once the genuine buy comes, you can think that the problem in Nasdaq is also over. Till that time, it will face lots and lots of hurdle in the coming days. But as of now, it has taken the support on the monthly side, S&P as well as Nasdaq. So nothing to worry about it on that front. And I will try to come out with the dates in Nasdaq. Already the date was here when I gave the exact exit to all the people on Nasdaq, S&P, and Dow Jones. This was a crucial date. Here, stop loss got triggered, and once it came down and closed to below, and when my signal gave a sell, it has gone for a toss. Okay, so we use the dates with the signal, so it will be useful for us to write the complete trend. See, from here there is no buy. Even if it goes up also, we don't care. Even if it goes up also, we will sit with the system once it gives a genuine sell, and fortune signals will take care of all till it gives a genuine buy. And this will be very, very useful for the option writers also. And finally, on 1 hour, it has given a genuine buy. Let's see what happens in the coming week. I think hope I have covered all that. So S&P date is 29th April, high and low. I'll try to come out with few dates. I've already identified the dates in Dow Jones. I will come out with those dates. And ETH USD, till now it is not even given a buy in 1 hour also. See how beautifully it works. Okay, so this was actually a fake buy because none of the candle closed above this high. See how beautiful it is. This was the buy initiation candle. None of the candle closed above. So this is the fake buy, and from there it started correcting, went again exactly, touched the blue and red, came down again, went and touched the blue, and now it is trading below. So even in 1 hour, it is not given a buy, and see where it gave a sell in 1 hour. Even this is also more or less a fake sell, fake buy only, and the sell came somewhere here, or even if you take here, it was a good money on ETH, 2,479 to 1,792. Until now, there is no buy. What a beauty, right? So now let's go to monthly. Broken the monthly signal also. So only God can save ETH USD and BTC USD. Very ugly. Okay, so let's go to Ichimoku. Let's see whether we are able to find anything in Ichimoku. Weekly looks ugly, and let's go to monthly on Ichimoku. More or less, I think it will come and touch 717 also. That is where the support is there. So possibility is 717 also. So be very, very careful. And the date which I mentioned was 3rd April. You know what happened after the 3rd April. And this date, 3rd April, I've designed in the month of January. And you can go back and see my video how I predicted this date, which was 3rd April. And from there, see the correction. The correction. Now it has to at least cross this blue color and red color line, which happened long back. Okay, this was the exact bottom where 16th July was the very important date for ETH, and it was a blue color date. And now to survive, it has to close above this July 16th high. Otherwise, God only can save cryptos. Okay, so now let's go to BTC. BTC. Okay, so this was the important date, 23rd Jan. From there it went up again. This was again 3rd April, collapsed. This was the video which I put, 3rd April collapsed, and 15th May was the last date which I gave. That also collapsed and it is trading below. So now for any revival in BTC, it has to close above 15th May. Otherwise, we will be seeing much deeper problem in ETH in BTC. Until now, BTC has not given any sell in weekly, even though it has broken. So now let's go to monthly. No, monthly also is on the top side. So it may come somewhere around 10,000. I don't know how many people will die if it comes to 10,000. So be very, very careful in these two cryptos, and the dates are working like mad in cryptos. Even though I don't trade, I give dates. So now watch out for the two dates which I've given you now, which is in BTC, it is 15th May, and in ETH, it is all these dates I covered in my videos in 2021 itself. You can go back and watch this video. This is 16th July high and low. So it has to hold 16th July high and low. See, if you see here, it stopped it stopped out, my entry. I made a loss here. I don't trade, but I'm saying based on this date, it closed to below, short initiated, but the stop loss got triggered. Stop loss got triggered. So now watch out for this same date high and low, which happened on 16th July 2021. Break above this, at least people can breathe a little bit. Otherwise, God only can save people, those who are trading in cryptos. Okay, so I think it's a long video, but very useful for people, those who are trading in outside markets. Let's see, maybe I'll try to cover other videos at a glance. This guy is looking definitely promising. Okay, so even in one day, it is not touched, yes, but it is in red. For sure, it is in red. And if you go to weekly, yeah, it was a fake sell, so it is as of now looking good. And if you go to monthly, the monthly number is somewhere here, combining with Ichimoku. So other videos I'll trade, because this video was specially requested by somebody in Singapore, so I want to make that video. That's why I made that video now. So use it. Let's see how the market plans out. And believe me, fortune signals are working anywhere, everywhere, in any time frame, even from 1 minute to 1 month. Thanks a lot for seeing this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions. I think as of now, market respected my May month date, which is 19th and 26th. That is where I was expecting a bottom to make a rally till July 15th. Let's see whether it holds, because market gives lots and lots of surprises. So we follow our indicator. If it gives us genuine sell on 15 minutes, we will definitely exit, but we will consider, because it has given a buy in 1 hour and it has become genuine. And let's see whether Nifty is going to give a genuine buy in 1 hour, because till now Nifty has not given a genuine buy in 1 hour. In case if that gives tomorrow, then we will start taking the long position in Nifty also. On Bank Nifty, we are doing well. Thanks a lot for seeing this video. See you soon in the next video. Bye.